Hey guys, in today's video we'll show you how to convert a stork or pet into an object in Adobe Illustrator. First, what you need to do is create your artwork. Use the pen tool or any other tool to create your design. Set the stork properties such as color, width, and alignment. Now to convert the stork into a fillable object, select the object, then go to Object, Pet, and Outline Stork. Now that stork is converted into a fillable object, you can easily adjust its properties, including corners, using direction selection tool, or other appropriate tool. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.